Hello. You're most welcome, viewers and subscribers. Today we are here to learn Tally ERP 9. In last 3 videos, we have learned 3 main things. One is Tally importance. Second is Tally menu introduction. Third, how to create an organization in Tally ERP 9. Today our topic is how to set default configuration in the Tally. Before going to screen, first one request is, if you like our video, kindly subscribe our channel, and if you have any query, feel free to contact in comments. Thank you. Okay, we are ready to go to the screen.